Hi guys! Today we'll talk about our very new non-meat and non-veg range of meal toppers and treats at the same time. So you already know it's our new completely resourceful, extremely environmentally friendly and extremely nutritious range of insect protein. You can see today what this is all about in a video, so you will lose the last inhibition and hopefully try our all new range to give your pet a very guilt-free and protein-rich little addition to their meals. You can use insect protein for any diet, whether it's raw, home-cooked, kibble, it doesn't matter. Insect protein is extremely easy to digest and even patches up the mucus lining in the stomach, so it actually helps getting a better digestion and healing the stomach. So now let's look at one of our insect meal toppers. All our products in the insect range are made from black soldier fly, which is one of the best and nutrient richest insects out there. So insects have been eaten by humans and animals, of course, for as long as life is around, basically. Still to this day, over 2 billion people supplement their diet with insects. The United Nations since 2013 has been a big proponent of eating insects for humans, as it's just so environmentally resourceful and nutritious. So there really is no reason to be disgusted or anything, even though I understand it takes a moment to be comfortable. Anyway, let's start with our powder that you can use as a meal topper. The label is not the right one. I changed them because I'm a perfectionist. I'm anal when it comes to these labels and all of that. Anyway, so this is the powder, which is finely milled black soldier fly larvae and a little bit of bee pollen, a little bit of red bee. So this is 90% black soldier fly larvae and 10% equal parts of bee pollen and red bee. We'll look at the content of 160 gram pouch, just so you can see. So now let's get into the reasons why this powder that doesn't smell any kind of weird, doesn't look weird, is just a powder from the outside, but from the inside it's magic. So let's get into exactly why insect protein is so great. There's just top 5 reasons that I'll go through right now. First of all, insect protein is hypoallergenic. And this is without hydrolyzing protein and processing and having all the negative effects of that, like hypoallergenic processed pet food does. This is hypoallergenic by nature. So it's a fantastic addition for any pet. Black soldier fly larvae are a complete source of all amino acids that our pets need to build new cells and to keep their immunity and body thriving. So you can even go for our insect meal, and you could even use it as a complete nutrition because it supplies all the amino acids you need, even though we always go for a variety if possible. So you can add more vegetables, or you can add different proteins of meat or any other additions, but there's different blogs we did on those. Next. Black soldier fly actually carry not only omega-6 and 9, but they also carry the holy grail of omegas, omega-3 in its active forms. So if you do not want to cook fish, if you don't like the smell or whatever, then going for insect protein is a fantastic way of getting a rich source of omega-3 into your diet, meaning you're helping the joints, you're helping the skin, and you're in general supplying an essential nutrient to your pet. Then again, insects are extremely environmentally friendly. Insect farming has about 96% less of an Insect farming has up to 90% less of an impact on nature because it uses less water, less resources, and creates less waste than meat farming. So insect protein is just extremely resourceful and a fantastic way of supplementing the diet, or even creating a main part of the diet if you have ethical concerns with meat, or if you're just in a veg household and do not want to handle meat. Then insect protein is fantastic for skin, joints, and the general immunity. Insects help by rebuilding the cartilage in the joints. Insects help by patching up the mucus lining in the stomach. Insect protein is just a fabulous, nutritious, unique way of feeding your pets, whether it's a cat or a dog. Please try the insect protein and see how much you can see your pet thrive without adding meat to the diet if you don't want to.